It's my last full week of work before Christmas vacation, and I am ceramic coating this Tesla Model 3, and it is the first Tesla that I've actually got to ceramic coat. So I'm looking forward to getting after this one. And it's not as bad. I mean, it's a black car, so there always is still work on a black car, but it's not as bad as what I was expecting. Some of, I've heard a lot of horror stories about Tesla paint. So I was expecting the worst, hoping for the best, and still a lot of work, but I'm not going to be chasing down a ton of defects and that type of stuff. So excited to get to work on this thing, so let's get going. Luckily, this Tesla was in really good shape, and I'm fortunate to have such a great high-powered lighting system in my shop that when you encounter defects, they just jump right out at you. So most importantly, around the door handles, there were some areas of some deeper scratches, I think probably from people trying to get in and out of the vehicle, but also probably the worst area was right behind the driver rear tire. There was a section that looked like from the factory they wet sanded a little bit to take out some dirt nibs, and they probably just made a one pass with a rotary buffer and a wool pad. So there's a few halograms that need to be cleaned up kind of in the back over there, but other than that, it really was just a polish and then move on to our coating steps. So I was able to hop around the vehicle quickly in the sections that needed to be compounded with the Flex PXE80, the Pixie. It's a fantastic tool. I love using that tool. So spot correct there while Ruben was doing the polishing step. And then when I got done with my spot correction, I picked up my second polisher and helped Ruben kind of power through the polishing step. Now we're going to put our Hyper Slick top coat on Gliss. This thing is looking awesome. Had a lot of fun working on this car today, and the paint is ready for coat number 2. So I hope you guys are ready to see the end result, because I know I am. Thank you guys again for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll definitely see you on the next video. Take care.